Hello, this is the Find Your Light Challenge, which was started by Holo Holo Adventures. If you've never seen their channel, it just always makes me so happy to see the place where they live, and they kind of give us good tips on what to do and what to see if we ever make it to Hawaii. But they started this Find Your Light Challenge. Thank you for starting this, and it really is a really great challenge in knowing what we're grateful for. So my gratitude today is that last week one of my patient's sons came in from Colorado and was visiting. During her exam, he was longboarding around our streets and parking lot around our office. So after her visit, we kind of were standing outside. It was lunch hour and just enjoying the sun, and he comes riding up and he asked me if I wanted to ride, and of course I said no, I'm too scared, because if I fall I'm definitely gonna be hurt, because I'm 49 years old, not very flexible anymore. So he said, don't worry, I will go ahead and hold on to you with both hands, and I'm gonna go ahead and let you get the feel for it. I looked at his mom, and she said, yeah, he's really safe. So I held on to his hands, and he took me on longboard about 20 feet in our parking lot, and I loved it. No, not really. I was really nervous, but from my heart I was like, thank you, because in my whole life I would have never had a chance to do a longboard. So that is my Find Your Light, and I hope somebody else does this challenge, and I will see you guys later. And actually I'm gonna tag someone and make him do it. You know who it's gonna be? Carlo&Seb. Both of you should do Find Your Light challenge. Please do it if you haven't already done so. Thanks a lot, and I'll see you again. Hang loose.